What up, y'all? I'm BK Bob, and today we're going to be unboxing the BK75 and checking out what's included, and of course, hearing how it sounds. This is a pre-built budget 75% keyboard that is gasket mounted, has a tri-mode PCB, multiple layers of foam, double-shot PBT keycaps, and all the RGB you'll want. It also includes a built-in wrist rest that is removable. It's pretty cool. Before we get started, I always like to make it clear that this keyboard was sent to me for a review from Velocifire Tech. However, all opinions are my own and from my experience using the keyboard. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it greatly helps my channel and allows me to bring more reviews like these to you in the future. Now, let's jump right into it, unbox it, see how it sounds, and I'll give you a quick review and recommendation. Included with the keyboard is an attached wrist rest, but it is removable. Extra keycaps to have a complete set if you wanted to take these keycaps off and put them on a different board. Extra clips and switches. A switch and keycap puller. And lastly, a chubby type USB-A to USB-C cable to attach the keyboard to your computer. Let's jump quickly into the sound test, and then we can discuss the keyboard on the back end. In the never-ending market of budget pre-built 75% keyboards, the BK75 looks to be a contender. Starting at $99, it's right in the same price range as many different pre-built budget 75%s. Some of these boards include the Chilkey ND75, the NP75, the Rainy 75, and a newly added one, the Fury Cube F75. I think the one and only feature this board has over others is the included detachable wrist rest. Other than that, it's just your run-of-the-mill foam pre-built keyboard. Is it a bad board? No. However, I think in the current market, it doesn't offer the features that, say, the Rainy 75 or the ND75 offer right around the same price. These features include being fully aluminum, they have weights, they have screwless catchball system designs, magnetic connectors, and multiple mounting systems. Do I think the BK75 is a bad board? No, I stated that before. I just think you can get better options and more value for your money with, say, the Rainy 75 or the ND75 from Chilkey. Now, if you're dead set on the BK75, I'd say grab it. It's a solid board for what it is. My stabilizers came pre-lubed with no crap sounds. Keep in mind it is a plastic foam board with PBT keycaps, so it'll give you a very deep and thocky typing experience. It has a decent amount of flex, so the typing feel is great, and the included Bat Knight Orchard V2 switches are smooth and fairly on the light side with a 50-gram bottom mount, which makes them comfortable to type on for many different users. What do you think is currently leading the way for budget 75% pre-builds? I would say it's pretty close between the Rainy 75 and the Chilkey ND75. Let me know in the comments below. As always, check out some of my content here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a good rest of your week. Bokeh Bob out.